Imagine a world where it rains liquid iron sideways at 5,000 kilometers an hour. Meet WASP-76b, an ultra-hot Jupiter 640 light-years away. It's tidally locked to its star, meaning one side is permanent day, the other eternal night. The day side? Lands in 7 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize iron. The night side? A cool Chen Wubyte degrees. That Chen degree difference creates supersonic winds that rip iron vapor from the day side and blast it toward the night side. Then something insane happens. The iron vapor condenses into liquid metal droplets and falls, not straight down, but horizontally, driven by winds exceeding 11 kilometers per second. Astronomers using the espresso spectrograph on ESO's Very Large Telescope detected iron vapor on the evening terminator, but it vanished on the morning side. The only explanation? It's raining iron. This isn't science fiction. This is real weather on a real planet, and it's absolutely terrifying.